Today, I'm going to show you how to buy V-Bucks using a vanilla gift card. Let's get started. First, make sure your vanilla gift card has enough balance. You can confirm this by visiting the vanilla gift card website and enter your card details to check your balance. After following the process, you'll be shown your balance. Next, go to your Epic Games account and log in using your credentials. Now, open Fortnite and head to the V-Bucks purchase section. Select the amount you want to buy from the varieties provided for you, and confirm the one you've chosen. Choose the credit card option as the payment method and follow the prompts to complete the transaction by providing your name, address, card number and your card CVV number. Once the purchase is complete, you should see a confirmation screen. Your V-Bucks will be added to your Fortnite account instantly. And that's it. Very easy and simple. You've successfully bought V-Bucks using a vanilla gift card credentials.